Today, we are excited to share one of our most exciting testimonials we have ever received from one of our practitioners, Carrie Rutland, on the Bredesen Protocol. Carrie gives a thorough explanation on how she has been able to simplify the Bredesen Protocol with personalized nutrients by consolidating this very robust nutritional regimen into one master formulation to enhance patient compliance and clinical outcomes.
Does it work? Right? We only want a solution if the solution is going to be something that's effective. And so the way that we're able to manage or measure whether that's effective is by way of the blood work. And lo and behold, at first blood work, at second blood work, third blood work, and now here we are many blood works later, we can also say that the supplements actually are doing the job that they're supposed to. And the fact that we can measure them just speaks volumes to the quality, the efficacy, the success that we've had. And so we are so thankful to personalized nutrients. Without them, this protocol would have just continued to be difficult in a layer that would have been hard to unravel. But at this point, it's like I said, it's something that we don't even have to pay attention to.